Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford in Salina, Kansas, your source for Ford news, update, and information, including your Super Duty information on a couple Saturdays. Anyway, we actually have a new video, some new content for the next couple weeks. Some packages that I want to show you that we're putting on some of our 2025 Ford Super Duties. So one package is behind me. We already have 4 trucks that have been produced with these different packages we like to do. If you know anything about McArthur, we like to do some custom stuff to some of our vehicles, and especially the vehicles that Ford kind of pushes on us and asks us to take. And so we've done that with a couple different packages. So first of all, if you're not subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed with the bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of these videos. But let's get into this this first build I want to talk about, and then next week we'll do the other build that is kind of based off of something we had to take off of this truck. So let's turn this camera around. All right, so we have in here, we have 4 right here, 4 trucks. These are XLT F250 7.3 liter gas engines with the Tremor package on them. So right now, some people might know this, that on the 26 model year, you can actually order a Tremor package for the XLT or the Lariat trim at this point in time. So these actually are pretty good pieces to have in stock, but we've done something fun with these. We've basically done we've put some things on this that kind of turn a Tremor, XLT Tremor, into a Tremor R. So these are called our Tremor R package for our Super Duty, and we're going to be doing some videos. Actually, I have the keys at the gray one here, and we're going to walk around this. Now, first off, how these are built from the factory, I like to cover that first, and how we decided to kind of have these built out. These were built as ones that were going to be stock units that we were going to sell. So these are XLT with the Tremor package, and these I believe even are they actually have the chrome pack here, it looks like. So these here were ordered pretty basic XLT with the Tremor package. Now, I've done a video on the Tremor package. In fact, I butchered up the tires that were on it on the video not too long ago on the 25 model year, but you know, things happen. We're going to talk about this in here and talk about some of those things you get on the Tremor package. So just as an overview, these have the 7.3 liter V8 gas engine that we put these on, and for a reason. If you can't R it, it's not a gas engine, right? So that's what these started with. These, of course, on the Tremor, they require it to be a crew cab, of course. Also has to be the short wheelbase on it as well. So a couple things there. This one also does have the upgraded automatic transmission like you'd see in like your diesel engines. When you go to the 7.3, the only way to get that transmission on it is to be able to order it as a Tremor. So because these are 7.3, they're going to have the 4.3 liter or 4.30 limited slip gear ratio. So electronic locking in the rear. We have a limited front, limited slip differential in the front. Also, these will have your upgraded off-road shocks in those, and unique front springs up here to give you the increased ride height on this Tremor. So let's see if I can get a good view of those. So they are going to have those nice off-road front and rear shocks on these. Skid plates as well that are going to cover a lot of the components under here from being able to go off-road on this. So you can kind of see some of those skid plates there. There's another one back here that covers the fuel tanks on those. You do have the textured running boards that I have my hands on right there. Do like that. You kind of see those running boards on your F-150 Raptors. So that's a great addition to this here. Water fording vent tubes, 33-inch there for that, and some other things. We do have a reduced air dam up here as well to help with clearance there, and does have a rock crawl mode. Whether you're going to use it a trail control as well, some of those things that you'd get as an upgrade. So again, not covering everything as part of the Tremor. There's a lot of the main things for the Tremor off-road package, but that's that. So let's talk about the package and what we do to this as part of this. Now, one of the things that first things we're gonna do is, this is a Tremor R for a reason. I gotta pop the hood to be able to show you this. We do have, yes, it is supercharged. This is the Megazilla that came out. And this is the Ford Performance. Find the release handle there. There we go. This is the Ford Performance Whipple supercharger on this. This delivers 720 horsepower, 750 pound-feet of torque. So real nice upgrade to this. And yes, supercharged 7.3 liter V8 engine. That's pretty awesome in this. Really gives you, enhances some of that power there for you. So that's one of the first things. That's what the R stands for, and that's the first thing what we do to this. Also, of course, upgrading the wheels and tires a little bit. So we do have these KMC black tire wheels here for you. So they're going to also have, these have the KO3s. The description they gave me was KO2s, but these are the all-terrain BF Goodrich KO3 tires as well on this, and I believe those are 33-inch tires that go on that to kind of match, and they might be 35s. I have to look there. Anyway, so they are, just read that off. There's an LT 285/75 R18, so 18-inch wheel and a pretty good size tire that goes around that, so pretty cool. Of course, we do a road force, mountain balance, alignment as well, recalibration of any cameras, and pre-collision assist and any of that stuff, so you're good to go there. Also, notice these fender flares here. So these are real nice fender flares, and with this here, get the right keys here, they are lit up here, so we do have the lights there on the front as well as the ones on the back too. So all four of those. And these are really nice fender flares we started putting on our Tremor R F-150 last year, and they make them for the Super Duty as well. So real nice. You're probably going to ask me where those from. Call our aftermarket department. They can tell you where they got those. But that's also a nice upgrade to this package as well. We did some things to the interior that I think are pretty cool, and we'll get to the graphics and everything in just a little bit. But we upgraded the interior as well. These are XLT, so they were cloth seats. And now they're a leather and suede combination with the orange stitching, as you can see right here, and the nice suede inserts. So real nice quality seats. They do have the little R on the embroidered on that, so that is embroidered R emblem on the headrest as well. Just on the front ones, the back ones won't have that. We also added front heated seats to this too, so they will have the leather suede as well as the heated feature on there too. So that's a couple things, and then we add some other graphics. You'll see the graphics, the Tremor R on the dash over there. We do have a serialized badge here, so you know this is a package that is done at McArthur, and also lets you know that this is covered by a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on everything we add. Whipple warranties the supercharger. We warranty everything else that we have done here at McArthur with this package. So something else, did I cover that? I don't think I did. We've been doing lately is a lot of these technicians that put on these superchargers and these kits, they're certified technicians, and so we started doing a signature motor badge, kind of like you know, Shelby and some of those do, serialized as well, so it lets you know who put that on. So that's pretty cool. Logan actually put this one on this particular truck, so that's something else we've kind of been little touch there. Graphics as well, so we have the nice hood graphics up here, you can see, with the orange and the black, supercharged on the side, on the hood as well. Here on the back, of course, the Tremor stays. This came from the Tremor package, so that's there. But we did match real nicely with the R back here, like you maybe see on an F-150 Raptor R. So that's going to be on the bedside back here as well. And then we also did fill in the letters here, and not just a black vinyl on Super Duty, but it does have the orange accent as well. So, and then the Tremor R that we put back there as well. So that's all added to that as well. Spray and liners put on this as well, and then the front window tint, you probably noticed that as well on there. And then, I don't know if you noticed this, check out this exhaust. Pretty cool exhaust tip, get the camera right. And now I want to give you, I'm going to go ahead and do some little B-roll clip over this and show you and let you listen to what this exhaust sounds like, because it looks small, but man, it packs a punch. Check out the sound of this. So that's pretty cool. You're getting that as well, all within this package. And the last thing that you get on this, told you it's covered under a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, but also we do an appearance protection on this. So exterior and interior. So we do a decontamination of the exterior, right? A clay bar on that, a nano wax on the outside, inside, of course, a full detail inside. We do a sealant on the carpet. We do a leather and vinyl conditioner as well on the seats and the dash and all that kind of stuff as well. And then that's covered every 2 years. You can have that redone, and we'll pay to have that redone as well. a full detail every 2 years, and a reapplication if we need to on anything on that appearance protection. So that's pretty cool. So this that's all included in this package. Not going to give you, I'm not sure what the price is. Some of these are listed. Of course, we're not selling it at the retail price on this. We're just putting the package price together. I think retail is $90,440 for these trucks. The truck itself started at $64,445. So there you go. So pretty cool. What do you think? We got a black, we have a white in stock, we got a gray in stock, and a race red. And I think we got a couple more in process. So there you have it. Let me know what you think down below. Did we do a pretty good job on this package? Some things we need to do. We love getting your feedback on ways to make our packages better and better every year. We've been doing some pretty cool packages here. Our lightning bolt packages that we've been doing on a lowered regular cab street truck that's very popular. We sell a lot of those, and we've taken feedback from people in the past on these videos and different comments when you call us and letting us know what you think of these. Now, I don't need you to roast me in the comments. Constructive criticism is what we're looking for here. So if there's something you think we could have done differently, or you don't like about it, let us know. We love getting that feedback from you guys so we can make these packages really awesome and something that our customers are going to be looking forward to on these trucks. Now, next week, we're gonna, you probably saw, what happens to the Tremor wheels when you take these off. We're gonna show you that in next week's build, which was inspired by the takeoff wheels from the Tremor. So be coming back for that. Make sure you're subscribed, bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of those videos. Till next week, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.